as you know, dealing with divorce, with women going through this, it's not just about money. It's not just about the division of assets, who's getting the house, who's getting this, the parenting, the parallel parenting, the money, the legal aspect of it. It's really like, what condition are you going to be in when you get to the other side of this? Because you matter.
Yeah.
You matter. And we just realized that there were so many aspects in this arena that were sort of getting shoved to the side, like, I'll get to my self-care later. I'll get to, like, not that there was the intention of this, but I'll get to my kids later. I'll get to their needs later. And all of that stuff's going to be waiting for you on the other side, but it could be a real mess. And, you know, paying attention to the intuitive aspect, to the self-care, to making these grounded, heart-centered decisions really is going to help you make the big decisions, make the legal decisions, make the financial decisions from a place where you're not like hysterical, or you're not just acting from your emotions out of revenge.